Hey guys, welcome back. King here. We're just gonna do another unboxing video of my new Ryobi cordless leaf blower. This is the Ryobi One Plus cordless leaf blower. This is a tool-only kit. Can be used with all other Ryobi 18V battery as well. Pretty simple tools as well. All you need to do is connect this end bit to this and then put a 18V battery. Let's give it a go. Let me just get a battery. This is also really handy and lightweight. I can see and feel the only thing that puts weight on it will be the battery itself. And to use it, just simply click this knob or button. And let's try. As you can see, it really has the power to blow leaves as well. So once again guys, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and like my channel. King here from Philo's Sydney Siders. Have a good day. Till next time. Bye.